is a story written on me. From the top of my head to my pinky, it keeps me safe, it helps me feel a living shield that's strong and real.
The topmost part is epidermis. It's tough and dry and quite a service. It blocks the germs and sun's bright rays. It keeps my water in all day. Inside a cell's called keratinocytes. They make a coat that holds on tight, and melanin from tiny dots helps guard my skin in sunny spots. Beneath the top is called the dermis, with nerves and blood that work to serve us. It holds the roots of every hair and brings the warmth and coolness there. I have sweat glands that help me chill when I run or climb a hill. Oil glands too, they share some grace. They soft skin upon my face. My skin can feel a breeze or sting because of nerves that sense each thing. They send a message fast and true. Something touched you, now what to do? Some tiny cells you cannot see are working hard to guard from me. They spot bad bugs, they fight and win. My hero's hiding in my skin. So skin's a coat, but oh much more. It helps me move, explore, adore. Thank you, skin, both thin and wide, for being always by my side.